Hello, in today's video, I'll be giving you a full review of Skimlinks. So let's start the main video. First, what exactly is Skimlinks? Skimlinks is an affiliate marketing platform that automatically converts your regular product links into affiliate links so you can earn commissions without manually signing up for every single affiliate program. It's mostly used by bloggers, publishers, and website owners who post product-based content. When you add a regular product link to your blog, say, from Amazon or eBay, Skimlinks automatically tracks that link and turns it into an affiliate link behind the scenes. When someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, you get paid a percentage of that sale. It's a completely automated process which saves a ton of time for content creators. Setting up your account is super easy. Go to skimlinks.com and click on the Join as a Publisher button. You'll need to provide your website URL, email address, and a few details about your content. Once approved, you'll get access to the Skimlinks dashboard where you can see your clicks, conversions, and earnings. After approval, you'll receive a small JavaScript code snippet. Simply copy that code and paste it into your website's HTML, ideally before the closing body tag. That's it. Now, every product link you share will automatically be monetized through Skimlinks. Inside the dashboard, you can easily track your performance. It shows your total clicks, conversion rate, earnings per click, and your top-performing merchants. You can also find new affiliate programs to join directly from the Skimlinks marketplace. Skimlinks pays out your earnings via PayPal or direct bank transfer. Once you reach the minimum payout threshold, usually around $10, payments are made on a monthly basis, so you can expect regular income if your links are performing well. Overall, Skimlinks is a great choice for bloggers and website owners who want to earn affiliate income without managing dozens of programs manually. If you're running a content-driven site, this can be a smart, passive income tool in 2025. I'd personally rate it 4 out of 5 stars. And that's it. Thanks for watching.